wanna know.
Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be working with LUVME hair. I'm just really excited to work with them because they always have the best packaging and so much care in the hair that they provide. So I am really excited, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do another cute seamless install, especially over locks. We gotta find ways to be versatile. So I didn't open it up yet, so I'm excited to see. Y'all, why did I accidentally cut like 5 of my locks? So we're just gonna ignore these little pieces in my head. This is what the packaging looks like. Their packaging is always so on point, like the bow, everything. Let's see the wig. I'm excited to try this because this is like a bang style, and although I've had a bang style before, I feel like this one is a little different, so I'm excited just to see how it's going to turn out. But I'm going to show y'all how to make sure that the install is seamless and flat and all of those things. Since this wig is a bang style, we don't have to do too much lace or anything, or not lace, we don't have to do a wig cap. So with my locks, I'm literally just going to be pulling them back as flat as I can into a ponytail. And I'm putting them back instead of to the side so that it can lay flat. Okay, so as y'all can see, it's in a ponytail. So what I'm doing is I added it in a ponytail, as you guys can see. I'm just taking the back and I'm just gonna tuck it into my hair. Obviously, it's not like the flattest, but this is a curly wig, so you can finesse the system with this. I know it looks crazy right now, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and just like kind of fluff it out, shake my head a little bit, and I'm just going to, as y'all can see, I'm just like running my fingers through it just to make it fuller. And then I'm gonna add some volume up here so that it can be as full up here as it is up here. Flipping it out. And I want to kind of give it like that natural look, so that's why I'm fluffing it out so that it looks more natural. As long as this video was literally as long as it took to put this wig on. So I don't even want to add anything else to it. I don't even want to cut it. If you guys want to do that, you can. But as y'all can see, all I did was run my fingers through it. And when you run your fingers through it, it gets bigger. So if you want a fluffier look, all you're doing is literally running your fingers through it. And like I said, going at the top and fluffing it out helps create like that roundness all around, so it's not just round up here and flat up here. And then two, like I said, since I didn't lay down my locks completely flat, this is what is helping cover up like the bulkiness of the back. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It really was not much to it, but if you are wanting to buy this wig, I feel like this video can help you kind of see an in-depth close-up look of how it looks and how to work with it. This is 100% human hair, and I can tell because it's super soft. So but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Thank you guys. Bye.